Hello, Hamilton's high school peeps and intro to sociology. This is Matthew Irvin. I know you've had a very challenging few days, and I just wanted to communicate to you how we're going to be moving forward. You should see an updated version of the syllabus and the due dates located in the link. It says syllabus update. Okay. Um, I have made sure and deleted any earlier versions of the syllabus so that there will be no confusion. It is a downloadable Microsoft Word file rather than the HTML file. On the HTML file, I couldn't edit. How are we going to move forward with class? Okay, um, it's imperative that we check our email pretty much 4 or 5 times a week. Your class will go on during the same time it's scheduled, but online. How will that work? I'm using a technology called Zoom. It's a meeting technology. And what you'll need to do is this. Now, I'm here at I'm here viewing this as a student, from your website. So this is what this looks like, okay? I'm going to go into the email section here, and it says I sent this email out. Okay, I sent you an email, and you should. It apparently doesn't appear in my box as a student, but what it is an email I sent to you all. Okay, which will when you get it, please click here. Okay, and I've sent you an invite link. Okay. And it says, hello, we'll be doing classes starting tomorrow. What you have to do, okay, is to register for Zoom, for your Zoom class. That's how we're going to be moving forward. So what you do is you click on this link. You'll get a schedule of the class, right? Okay. Now, basically, what happens is, right, there is I've signed up. Please use your Sinclair College email, even though I asked you for other email. So I'm going to click register here. Okay. And then it approves the registration. And when you do this, just check your email. What you're going to have to do is check your email about 10 minutes prior to class, maybe 10:25, 10:30. Okay. You need to go over here and click this. Okay. And what it's going to do is take you to a screen that looks like this. Okay. I'm trying to split the screen. Hello. Okay. It's very tedious here. But it's launching. It's launching. It's thinking about it. But it will take you to a screen that looks like this. And of course, I'm having problems since I'm recording. But it's launching. What it will do is it will take you to a prompt. It'll say join the meeting. Okay. You'll get a prompt that says open Zoom meetings up here, right? And so you're going to get connecting, right? And it'll say, join with computer audio, test speaker, and microphone, etc. So you just go ahead. If you get this prompt, just go ahead and click there. Now, I want to be very clear, right? You don't have to have a microphone or camera. I do, right? What will happen is I will allow, I go down here and I control this, and I click on a chat room. So that if you have any questions over here, right? That's exactly what's going on. You type a message here. I'm going to go, Irvin is bald, and then I click there, and the message appears. So you can either communicate via your camera. You can have split screens, and your camera will be on this screen, or you can just merely just sit back and chill and take it in. And if you have a question, use the chat room. Okay. Either way, it's easy. You don't need to. You can join without any problems here. This space here is where I will be sharing a material, just as I would during the class. Okay, so I don't. It says video is off here. Okay, enter full screen, start video. Select the camera. I selected that camera, and I can't start the video. Okay, all right. I don't know what's going on here. But at any rate, that's you'll be able to click on, and once the meeting starts, I suspect this is because the meeting hasn't started yet. Once the meeting starts, you have the option to enter into the virtual classroom 10 minutes ahead of time, and just chill and wait for me. Right. I'll be on there. I've set it up so we have a broad meeting time. Now I've scheduled Hamilton folks. I've scheduled Monday, Wednesday, and Friday. We'll be on for about 45 minutes. Now, should you have to miss one of these meetings, and I know everybody's got a very challenging life, then what you do is you merely look at the recordings, which I will publish as soon as possible after the class session goes. Okay, so there'll probably be a folder called Zoom class session recordings, right? And they'll be appearing in your homepage, your course, in your content course. Okay, hopefully this helps. You've gotten an invitation, Hamilton folks. Please click on and register. Please click on and register. If we go back here, it will, this is where you register. You'll get an email from me, again, just to review. You go here, down here, type in your name, please type in your Sinclair email address. I did this so I could test a link out. I had to type a different address in. Use your Sinclair email, and then what it'll say is you can join meeting in progress. If you do that, you'll get a message that'll just kind of take you there, and it'll chill out, and it'll probably say I'm trying to. The screen is frozen, right? Open Zoom meetings, okay, and it opens this. It'll open up something looking like this. Okay, I hope this isn't too confusing. It's going to take a couple of days for us to work it out, I'm sure, both on my end and yours, but I hope this is logical. Please acknowledge that you have seen this, and we'll move forward. I look forward to talking to everybody tomorrow online. Take care.